Nice little lathe. I'm not quite sure what it's an interesting lathe because you can see it's got the dovetailed ways, four-jaw chuck. Let me see if I can get in there closer. A little bit closer view of it. Would appear to be set up for thread cutting, change gears, but it's an old fella. It's the Hamilton Technology and Steam Museum, which is the old pump works. And in this building in front of me here is a walking beam engine, which I'm about to go and take a look at. And we'll see what's what. Here you can see the overhead above the door, Hamilton Waterworks.